So on number 2, we have 45, 45, 90. Let's do a quick reminder on the ratios. 45, 45, 90. It was 1, 1, and what? Root 2. So we're looking for z. And I know my 9. Z is opposite of 90, so I need radical 2 on the top. And then 9 is opposite of 45. I need 1 on the bottom. And when I cross multiply, I simply get 9 radical 2. Let's say you forgot the ratio. Can I write the 9 here also and do Pythagorean theorem? Yeah. Okay, the next problem was number 5. How would I split the 90? Radical 9 and radical 10. If I further split the 10, am I going to have any pairs? No. So I'm just going to say 3 radical 10. All right, my next number, number 15. Let's label 15 in respect to angle A. So when I jump, it's my opposite. Then I have my hypotenuse and the adjacent. So looking at SO, COT, and TOA, which one are we using? Cosine? It's cosine of the angle. In this case, it's my angle A is equal to my adjacent 17 over 32. And my A is a variable, so I need to undo my cosine by inverse on both sides. So that goes away. A is now by itself. So this one will be a calculator portion. Let's kind of anticipate something on this one. This angle A, is it going to be acute or obtuse? Acute. Is it going to be less than 45 or more than 45? More than 45? Let's check. But the bottom line is it has to be acute. So we have second cosine of 17 over 32. Must be acute. And all the whole numbers, or not whole number, angle measurements, I want them as a whole number. So this would be 50 how many? 58. Okay. Emmy, let's read number 16.
When transporting a kite has let out 50 meters of string, the string makes an angle of 45 degrees with the ground. How high is the kite? Draw a picture to help.
Okay. The string makes 45 with the ground. So I will start with the ground. Here's my ground. And if the kite is being let out, is it the vertical piece or the hypotenuse piece? It's being let out. Has to be our hypotenuse. So that angle is 45. And the string alone is 50. So are we looking for the ground distance or the vertical distance? Vertical, it says how high is the kite? So let's label in respect to 45. So we have our opposite, we have our adjacent, and then we have our hypotenuse. Which trig function? O and H, sine of angle 45 is equal to x over 50. And then we're going to multiply by 50 on both sides. This part is algebra. And exactly as you see, let's type that in, maybe without the bracket. 50 sine of 45. Hopefully is less than 50. What is the value to 2 decimal places? I'm assuming we all typed it in. 35 point how many? 36. And that's in meters. Anyone see something unique about this one? Could I use 45, 45, 90 ratio instead of my proportion? You can. We'll get the exact same answer. Was that the last one? And that was it?